Mrs. Hensley's friends, we are going to read a Dr. Seuss book, and it is 10 Apples Up on Top. And you may have heard this story before, and that's okay, because Mrs. Hensley likes to read books over and over sometimes. You might have read this in pre-K, but it's kind of fun to, because you kind of know what's going to go on, but it's kind of fun to just read it again because you might learn something new. Okay. 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss. There's our title page. One apple up on top. Where is that apple? Is it on top of his head, isn't it? Okay, here we go. 2 apples up on top. 1, 2. Look, you. I can do it too. 1, 2, 1, 2. They both have 2 apples on top of their head. Look! See! I can do 3! 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. I see, I see. He still has 2 on top of his head. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, see now? I can hop with 4 apples up on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many does this one have still? 1, 2, 3. And he's jumping rope. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look, he's jumping rope, hopping on his rope on the tree. And he still has 3. Look here, you two. See here, you two? I can get 5 on top. Can you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am so good. I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 7 apples up on top. I am so good, they will not drop. 5, 6, 7. Fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's counting backwards. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now see here, 8. 8 on top. 8 apples up. Not one will drop. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They both have 8 and he has 7. 8, 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. Ooh, they all have 8 apples up on top. Or these two do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He still has 7, but they have 8. Let's see if they can skate and keep the apples up on top. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's got 9. We can, on, we can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. So they all have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Ooh, he's got 9, and now he's got one more that he's going to put up there. Let's see. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Ooh. Look out, look out, I see a mop. Uh-oh, what do you think is going to happen? I wonder. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you! One and all. Ooh, not happy at all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? They want to get our apples too. Uh-oh, they want to eat the apples up here, don't they? They want to eat the apples. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop! You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Uh-oh, what happened? All of their apples came off of their heads. Look! 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. The end. So all of them decided that they wanted to do it, didn't they? Well, after you watch this video, you're going to be doing a math 10 apples up on top activity. So go to your activity, add the green add response, and then do your activity. And when you're finished, don't forget to hit the check mark button, okay? You guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.